This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that holds your contacts. Open Settings and add the account now if it's not listed. Once added, go directly to Accounts, right arrow Google and tap the account name, then enable Contact Sync so entries will transfer. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active because sync requires internet. Also check battery saver is off, otherwise background sync may be paused. This first step ensures the phone can reach Google and pull the contact data. Now open your Contacts app and use the Settings menu to access accounts, select your Google account, and tap Sync Now to pull cloud contacts. If you have contacts stored locally or on a SIM, choose Import from Device and pick the account you just signed into as the destination so everything uploads to Google. Once done, make sure Contacts App View is set to show your Google account entries. This prevents duplicates and keeps future changes synced automatically across devices. Finish by confirming the sync succeeded. Open a browser and check Contacts, Google, Com, or refresh the Contacts app on your phone. If some entries are missing, force a manual sync via Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Google, right arrow Sync Now, and restart the device afterwards. Make sure the Contacts app has permission to access the account and storage. If problems persist, clear Contacts app storage or remove and re-add the Google account. That typically resets sync and resolves stuck imports or duplicates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.